Hello guys! Today I will be seeing offers for the Neon Flower Power Duckling. They're all newborns, so it's a lose in my opinion. I like the Lunar White Tiger, despite their low value, but it's a no from me. I love hares, but I will have to decline since I'm over. Oh my, a Neon Naga. Sadly, he was just looking for offers. I'm looking for pets. It's a no from me. I love ice moths, but I had to decline since I was over. I probably would have done it, but I wanted to look at more offers. I thought they were trolling. I've never owned a lava dragon before, so I had to. Success. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below whether you think this trade was a win or a lose. I'm excited to hear about it. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.